Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Ekster Bifold wallet in caramel color. And what's cool about this wallet, it's like it has its own internal MagSafe, because this part right here, your Modular Secretary piece, it actually is magnetic to the wallet. So it becomes its own wallet right there. And then this slips out and it's magnetized. So nice, thin, has slots on both sides, and it's magnetized to go right back in the wallet just like that, and then it doesn't fall out. So the wallet is like MagSafe compatible, but just for this piece right here. And here's some more quick information about the Bifold wallet and the secretary functionality. So you can pause this video anytime to take a look at all of those details right there. And there you go. And you can get this right now from Ekster. And we like magnetic things, and definitely accessories to make your life easier like this. It just comes right out of the wallet and you're ready to go. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.